All right, guys, we're going to be talking about the CAD yen. CAD yen, uh, almost similar to the euro yen, um, and even the pound yen. But I didn't really see any good levels on the pound yen, though it looks like it's going to continue towards the long side though. But you got to be aware of where the pound yen. We are in weekly, approaching weekly resistance. Anyhow, this is the CAD yen here. We're coming in. We bounced right out of the monthly, weekly support. So let's go ahead and drop it down. Pretty much just nothing to talk about. Same thing. Coming out of the weekly support, we did break this weekly resistance, and most likely these are the type of interesting ones that you'll typically get your retracement here for your continuation back up. And I believe I have a long entry on this one as well. So let's go ahead and drop it down to the daily. Daily, that's your daily supply right there with weekly daily resistance as well. So let's go ahead and drop it down to 4 hours so we could actually establish somewhat of I believe I have two separate entries, and this is not going to be a set and forget. These are just levels to actually just um, consider and maybe take stabs as they come in. So on this one, I was actually looking at the CAD yen as far as an entry right around the 8105. Now the 8105, why? Because there's a wick on wick right there. That's pretty much your 4 hour demand right there. So that's pretty much the zone that I'm really looking for. I believe the stop loss on this one, I have it set for 80.70, I believe, right? I'm taking the entire zone. Taking the, as a matter of fact, here in the mail. Let me take this out. And you'll see why I'm taking this entire zone. So I'm taking from here, and I'm pretty much actually maybe I'm reading out of my order my trading platform, but I should actually maybe drop it down or modify this entry to pretty much get the zone on zone right here. What I mean by zone on zone, you have your rally based rally. It's not the best looking rally based rally, but the reason why I have that right there is because you have your unfilled order right there, and that's demand. So I just decided to take the entire zone right there, and then this the targets that I'm looking at. This one is obviously the 8250, and then the 8250 pretty much correlates with your 4 hour demand right there. So on this one, you have your target 8250. Most likely, as you guys already know, I'll end up taking the 8245 to get out a little bit before they start getting out. So 8245, and then this one, as you can see, the payout, if this one actually ends up working well, it's easily more than a 3-to-1. And these are the ones that we actually tend to actually wait a little bit more, have a little bit of patience. But I like these because even if we were wrong with the trade, I mean, all you really need is just half of your trades to actually work, or sometimes even less than half of your trades to actually work if you're shooting more than a 3-to-1 trade here, guys. So these are the type of trades that I kind of look for my overnights as I plan out for the week. And that's pretty much what I have. Oh, by the way, no, I had another thing on this one set up. So just in case this zone doesn't work, then obviously I'm going to be looking for this all the way. I'm sorry, I believe I have 60. No, actually, that was for another trade. So yeah, I'm not really. I was really going to look for this support right here coming down, but we'll see. But this is the main one that I was really looking for, the CAD yen, guys. All right, I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Take care.